Hey everybody, Hi. Here's some nice adventure I'd like to share with you. A day at the Cheesecake Factory. And fun fact, it was one of my, it was one of the favorite restaurants I went to since I last visited over there in 2015. So finally, I reunite with it. So so to give you a rundown, I have to go back. I have to go back to yesterday. So it started out when me and Power are getting ready before our before our family member joins in and pick us up. And not only that, we had some talks on the way there, and and of course I'm gonna let you see for yourself, self, so enjoy
You and I eat today, Jonathan.
It's the one I always order.
Crab cakes?
Nope, the Cuban sandwich.
Oh, me too. That's what I want.
Yeah, yeah. I haven't forgotten about my. I haven't forgotten what my favorite flavor is.
Oh, okay. What about you, TJ? What do you want to eat?
It's been
We
some.
always get the same thing.
Yeah. We both like human sandwiches, but don't worry. I'm sure
You'll find something on there you like.
Yeah, and let's not forget the flavored cheesecakes.
Favorite cheesecake. You like cheesecake, TJ?
He does.
You said you had to work. We ain't there yet.
And then I'm going to end up having to pay.
Yep, see, that's not necessarily so, but
No?
no, you know. Is it on 24th Street? I think it's 24th Street.
It is.
Yeah.
Is T Jizzle with y'all?
Yep.
T Jizzle, what up, man?
Hey, pleasure.
What's up, Jonathan?
Pleasure.
Pleasure?
Well, good to hear from you for some time.
Okay. Right.
Jonathan said he had it all planned out. He know the route. He knew what time. He was running late. He took care of that. He did everything but drive.
How was y'all running late?
I had to put some air in the tire.
Okay.
And I have to be sure that TJ is awake.
And to make sure TJ was project managing. This was gonna happen.
TJ don't be awake at noon?
Close enough. Well, close enough.
What time TJ get up?
I think it was 11.
What time do you go to bed?
I try to go to bed at 8, but
8 p.m. or a.m.?
8 p.m.
That'll get you some sleep. She can teach you how to sleep anywhere, anytime. And she didn't even want to wake up this morning. I thought she was dead. I'm like, Nathan, and she got in that move something.
Hey, there it is.
She flinched. I'm like, okay, I guess she's not dead.
Oh, cool.
She's high sleep now.
She probably is, because she was missing in action.
My goodness, I can't believe we're here after all these years. Oh, wow. Can't believe we're actually here. Wow. I forgot how awesome that door was. So good. Ouch.
Okay.
So good. So good. Mm-hmm. So good. Nice.
You gonna try with the whipped cream?
I can try.
That too much.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Pretty much the same. You too. Man, another satisfying day. Whoa. That was a good time I had I had yesterday. I would love to show more of it, but all I care for is the Cheesecake Factory that I like to reunite with. And I got to give credit for the guy for that barber who did a nice job of the haircut. I look forward. I would look forward to have my next haircut appointment soon enough. Before I go though, for our art of the day, we have the cheesecake art. Now, I was gonna put down cheesecake artists, but sorry, but since I ran out of room, I just put art in there and put the moon sign on there to add a little addition to it. So cheesecake art sounds like a ring to it a little bit. I love cheesecake and I love doing some art. Before I go though, next time on M.A.C Vision Friday 4, we're gonna jump into something else, and and that would be the final days of summer. So can't wait, can't wait for it. So I'm SuperMachine92, and that is it for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.